It's down. Yeah, let's go. Top down and I'm cruising with my favorite chick. They gon' have to come and get me when I'm switching lanes, swerving all around. Hair brown, plus she kinda thick. And turn her on so she give me brain while we driving on the open road. I'm cold, but my ride hot. I melt your spot. You girl get got for the back shot. I was born this way, so I can't stop. And I don't play, I fuck a lot. Get money every day, never stop. Even when I'm sleeping, homie, I get paid off the top. From the shit I'm speaking, about to start a 3-day week. Every day the weekend, looking in my rear view mirror. Hate to see them creeping. No need to pretend you wanna be me. And all your female friends, they wanna see me. Beamer or Benz, I float freely. And you just want my attention, you're so needy. When life come at you with drama, tell it I'll come back you with armor. Now everybody say, yeah, let's go, come on. When things just don't seem that easy, put your swag on hot and be breezy. Now everybody say, yeah, let's go, come on. If people get in your business, tell them nosiness is a sickness. Now everybody say, yeah, let's go, come on. If all you're down for, they waiting. Tell them ain't no future in hating. Now everybody say, yeah, let's go. Everywhere I go, people wanna know about the flow. Watch your girl around me turn your baby mom to a hoe. Ain't shit changed, still that same nigga from before. Getting money now, do you love me or the dough? Convertible car, I feel a wind blow. Unheardable star, I get it in, no. I step in the place, mommy, I'm single. I'm leaving with 2, yeah, where your friend go? Ain't it funny how the tables turn around? People who ain't wanna fuck with me, now they wanna be down. All my people fought and stuck with me, we be sharing the crown. All my ladies throw it up for me, fellas, give me a pound. And let them niggas know to expect nothing less than hotter. The heart is still a 9, what this nigga made out of. You claim you married to the game, but then complain about her. I hear you talking shit, but you still ain't saying nada. When life come at you with drama, tell it I'll come back you with armor. Now everybody say, yeah, let's go, come on. When things just don't seem that easy, put your swag on hot and be breezy. Now everybody say, yeah, let's go, come on. If people get in your business, tell them nosiness is a sickness. Now everybody say, yeah, let's go, come on. If all you're down for, they waiting. Tell them ain't no future in hating. Now everybody say, yeah, let's go. And never let them see you sweat, never forget. They talking loud but not a threat, as quiet as kept. They keep your name up in their mouth, that's when you the best. But keep on doing what you doing, don't settle for less. I'm known for breaking hard, styling on the mall. Straight running up the credit card, wildin' in the mall. Not known for playing games, but nigga I ball. Too fly, plus I'm playing lanes, how I'm gonna fall. Just call me Superman, be my lowest lane. Through the fame, you a trooper man, I'ma take you higher than a plane. The kid don't drop, the hits don't stop. I'm major in this hip hop, got the top spot, continuous. Though niggas is disingenuous, on the menu is EMC's not even strenuous. Don't pretend you is on my side and wear me from the start. I light you up, then I blow you apart.